Good morning, kids. Hope that you all are fine and staying safe at your home. My dear kids, look at this picture. Do you know what is this? Think, everyone. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is the picture of a sky. This is the picture of a sky. SKY, sky. Can you tell me what is the color of the sky? The color of the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. So kids, today we will learn about the things we see in the sky. Yes, we all see many things in the sky. Yes, but can you tell me what are the names of those things? Okay, so today we will discuss, that what are the things that we see in the sky. Kids, do you see this in the sky? Yes, we see this every day in the sky. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are absolutely right. This is the sun. This is the sun. SUN, sun. SUN, sun. So we can see sun in the sky. Tell me everyone, what is this? We see it at night in the sky. Yes, very good. This is the moon. This is the moon. MOON, moon. MOON, moon. So we can also see moon in the sky. Now kids, look at these little things that is in the sky. So many little lights in the sky. Do you know what is this? Yes, these are stars. These are stars. STARS, stars. STARS, stars. So we can see stars along with the moon in the sky at night. My dear kids, can you see this colorful, beautiful thing that is in the sky? Look at it. Yes, very good. This is the rainbow. This is the rainbow. 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 Kids, can you see these white things that is floating in the sky? Yes. These are the clouds. These are the clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. CLOUDS, clouds. And do you know what is this? These are the little drops of rain. We can also see raindrops falling from the sky. RAIN, rain. DROPS, drops, raindrops. Kids, can you see something is flying high in the sky? Do you know what is this? Yes, these are birds. These are birds. BIRDS, birds. BIRDS, birds. Along with birds, bees also flies in the sky. Bees also flies in the sky. And beautiful butterflies also flies in the sky. Butterflies also fly in the sky. My dear kids, we can also see aeroplane in the sky. Look at this. This is the aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane. 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 Look at this. What are these things that is flying in the sky? Guess everyone. Yes, these are the leaves that are flying in the sky. Leaves. 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 Can you tell me the name of this that is flying high in the sky? You all love to play with this. Yes, this is the kite. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Look everybody, do you know what is this? Yes, you are right. These are hot air balloons. Hot air balloons. Once you all have done thumb painting of hot air balloon, you all remember? Very good. H-O-T, hot. A-I-R, air. B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Hot air balloon. Now everybody look here. Do you know what is this? Yes, we can see them at night flying in the sky. These are bat. Bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Along with the bats, we can also see some lightning bugs in the sky at night. They look so beautiful at night in the sky. You all love to watch them. Even I also love to watch them. So, we can also see lightning bugs in the sky at night. Lightning. Lightning. Bugs. Bugs. Lightning bugs. Kids, this is the season of winter and snow and cold. So, we can also see snow falling from the sky. Yes, we can also see snow in the sky. S-N-O-W. Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. And in winter season, we can also see Santa flying in the sky. Yes. Very good, everyone. So kids, take care of yourselves. Hope that we will meet again soon. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.